Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to another Go High Level tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I will talk about how can you manually add leads for your affiliates inside your account. Now this is a great option if you want to make your affiliate campaign absolutely solid, and this is something you should definitely explain to your affiliates when you're onboarding them. Because sometimes what happens is when you bring on these affiliates, they already have some personal connections or established audiences which are offline. Let's say somebody has an email list or somebody knows people personally that they want to add into their campaign so they could get paid for referring those people to you, but they cannot be tracked very easily through all these automated systems. So you want to ensure that your affiliate feels absolutely comfortable and equipped with everything that they need to succeed, which will ultimately help you or your program to succeed. So let's dive into Go High Level, and I'm going to teach you how you can set this up for your affiliates. All right, so all you have to do is head over to marketing and then under affiliate manager, click on campaigns. Now you want to ensure that you already have a campaign set up. If you don't, you can actually click on add here and then set up a new affiliate campaign. As I've already got one campaign set up, so I'm going to dive right into it. So let's click on affiliates right here, and then I'm going to choose one of these examples here. So I've got this person right here, or an affiliate, which is Sam, and he is a part of my marketing ebook affiliate campaign. So I'm just going to click on his profile right here, and then you can see we have an add lead option right here. So once you click on that, it will give you two options. So the first one is where we can only add one person. So let's say Sam knows a friend who's Mark and he wants to add that in. So what we will do is click on new lead right here, then select the campaign from here, which is the marketing ebook affiliate campaign, and then just add Mark's details right here. And once we're happy with that, just hit save. And now Mark will be added under Sam as a personal connection or manual lead, so that he can also be a part of the campaign. So that when Mark buys your program through Sam, Sam gets the credit, and that way you can make your affiliate campaign very solid. Now, the second option we have is import from contact. So let's say the contact already exists in your sub account that Sam wanted under his name. So what you can do is just select the campaign right here, and then select the contact. All you have to do is hit save, and that is pretty much it. So that way you can add leads manually under your affiliates and make sure that you're getting the credit for the persons they're referring to, even if they are not coming in from the automated systems. So that was pretty much it about this video. I hope you found this valuable. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below, and we will get back to you.